Fix authentication error, Pokemon TCG Pocket. I'm going to tell you how to fix the authentication error in Pokemon TCG Pocket. This error usually shows up when the app can't verify your login due to server issues, connection problems, or outdated app data. First, check your internet. Switch from Wi Fi to mobile data or vice versa. If that doesn't help, restart your phone and relaunch the game. Still stuck? Go to your app settings, clear cache and data, and try logging in again. Make sure your app is updated to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play. If you're using a VPN, turn it off. It can block connections to Pokemon servers. Also, double check that your Apple ID, Google Play account, or Pokemon Training Club login is correct. If none of that works, uninstall and reinstall the app, but make sure your game is backed up if possible. Lastly, if servers are down globally, you'll just need to wait. It's frustrating, but those are the most reliable ways to fix it.